Global equity markets were pretty positive overnight after separate reports from the US and Europe showed an improvement in consumer confidence levels. This is important, particularly for the US, given that consumers have a link into around 70% of their gross domestic product. When people are spending, this is good news for the US economy. There will also be a lot of focus on US unemployment numbers due out later on this week. If unemployment does improve, then this may mean that consumer spending will continue. With markets up, the New Zealand dollar did trade up just slightly, trading at 70.8 against the US dollar on Tuesday morning. Last week, the UK's Labour Party delivered what some people called a campaign budget. It failed to deliver on some of the critical issues around their budget deficits and their economic uncertainties. Next year's forecast for their deficit is to be up to £160 billion, and things aren't going to get any better anytime soon. Their 5-year forecast is for the deficit to decrease to only £70 billion. This has raised concerns from credit rating agencies, and market appetite for the pound has been limited recently. Currently, the New Zealand dollar is trading at 47p against the pound. With these economic uncertainties, we see little opportunity for the New Zealand dollar to decrease too much against the pound in the short to medium term. Global lamb prices continue to be firm. During the short week in Ireland due to St Patrick's Day, processors were forced to pay record highs for lambs and hoggets. Over in the UK, lambs that are coming to market in the spring have generally been a little bit smaller. Therefore, this is doing little to alleviate the tight global supply at the moment. We see little opportunity for international prices to decrease anytime soon, given that farmers are really struggling to keep up with demand given their tight supplies. On the local front, scheduled prices are likely to continue to ease, given that kill volumes will start to increase now and the New Zealand dollar will continue to be strong against the pound.